At first glance, it may seem like another PC racing game, but the steering of the car is controlled not by the player's hands, but by his eyes. This technology is called eye tracking, and it's vastly improving.
Eye tracking itself, the process of using cameras and computers to figure out where somebody's looking, has been around since the 1940s, but the computers weren't able to keep up with the demands of processing of images coming from a camera as frequently as you need to do it.
LC Technology is one of the leaders in this assistive technology that allows people with disabilities to execute all the commands of a mouse and keyboard by just looking at the screen.
Bring up a keyboard and type what you want to say with your eyes and then look at a key that would speak it. So people that were locked in, that couldn't speak and couldn't move, were able for the first time to communicate quickly and easily.
There are about 40 companies in the world that develop eye tracking technology, and they are all each highly specialized, and LC Technology's own niche is its superior image processing algorithm.
So if your eyelids are blocking your pupil, you may not be able to use another system, but you'd be able to use ours. Or if you had to sit in a position like this, you could use ours, and some of the systems you have to be lined up with the screen.
The technology of being able to monitor eye movement has also started to be implemented in the fields of marketing research.
Of the advertisements that we see today on mainstream, somewhere along the line, they've been eye tracked. Companies put millions of dollars into ads, so they want to make sure that the message is getting across.
There are many applications for the technology, but there are some hurdles for it to be implemented into consumer electronic devices.
Systems are still relatively expensive. There's not a $100 eye tracker out there that will accurately predict your gaze point, and they're still too big to be put into a smartphone or an iPad, for example.
However, once these can be overcome, it may not be long to see regular tablets and laptops come standard with both regular tactile functions and eye tracking technology. Kimiteru Tsuruda, Medill News Service.